guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today I want to share to you my recipe. Since tofu is my favorite dish, so I made up my own recipe, which is very simple that even a grade 3 kid can cook. So guys, let's start. Guys, all what we need for our tofu recipe are 2 packages of tofu, onion, garlic, tomato, green chili, and I usually add maybe three string of green onion, pepper. I mean black pepper, and salt to taste. First, let's start with our tofu. We have to slice or cut our tofu according to the size that you want. But for me, I usually cut my tofu 2 by 1 inches. So, I have to fry them before I will add with any of those other recipes. So first, I will fry them until they become golden brown. Then, when we were done, fry them until they become golden brown, set aside, and then we can start frying or saute our ingredients. So first, we have to heat oil. Then, add the garlic, add the onion, then add the tomato, and then now we can add our golden brown fried tofu in it. But first, we have to saute everything and saute the tomato until it become kind of sauce. Then we can add our golden brown tofu. So you can cook until like probably 15 minutes, and then you can add your green chili, black pepper, and salt to taste. Guys, it's just so simple. Even a kid can cook it. So I love tofu. That's why I made this recipe. So I hope guys this video can help anyone who really love tofu. And this one is vegetarian. It's really good for people who don't eat meat. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button in order for you to get more notification when I have a new video. Thank you guys and enjoy your day.
Do you want to know?